Good evening and welcome to NYNJPA Weather, your weather source for the northern mid-Atlantic. I'm meteorologist Stephen DiMartino. Well, for the most part today, high pressure was in control with temperatures only rising into, the upper 70s to lower 80s, which is well above normal for this time of year. But just wait, it's going to get warmer. A weak disturbance is also moving through the Delaware River Valley, specifically moving towards northern and northeastern New Jersey. This disturbance would produce an isolated shower, but that's about it for the rest of this evening. Everyone else is going to be beautiful. For late September, it feels like late August, with temperatures staying in the upper 50s to lower 60s for lows. Now, by tomorrow, the warm front that is currently over the Ohio Valley moving through Pennsylvania will basically wash out as this high pressure system to the north of the region dives towards the mid-Atlantic coast. As a result, what will happen is that winds will shift to the south and then southwest, and we will warm up big time throughout the northern mid-Atlantic into the mid to upper 80s over many locations, possibly the lower 90s over the Philadelphia metro. And to even put that even more, it's going to be humid out. So it's definitely going to feel more like August than September. So if you're in school or in college, you're probably going to want to be at the beach rather than in school. But hey, education's important. Let's take a look at the water vapor just for a moment. What you can see is a ridge is building over the southeast, and that ridge is going to continue to build into the northern mid-Atlantic, and that is why we're going to get so warm, because the air mass that's over the Tennessee River Valley and over the southeast is basically going to move up into the northern mid-Atlantic and bring our summer-like conditions. The next cold front that's going to approach the region is currently in the plains. That cold front will lose a lot of punch, but it's going to set up a very wet week for next week. First, let me just talk about the cold front. The cold front lifts north. The majority of the lifting moves north with it. We'll get a few scattered showers and a couple of isolated thunderstorms on Saturday night, but really it does not look like a severe threat at all right now. Then, the disturbance that is moving into the northwest tonight is going to dive down into the plains, intensify, close off as a closed upper level low, and basically draw a whole bunch of Atlantic moisture right into the northern Atlantic. That basically means starting on Sunday afternoon, overcast skies, scattered showers, a raw easterly wind, temperatures struggling to break 70. Most locations, especially along the coast, will probably be in the mid to upper 60s throughout this entire period. And what we're looking at is for this type of weather to continue from Sunday, Monday, most of Tuesday, starting to end on Wednesday as our area of low pressure develops over the Tennessee River Valley, moves towards the Great Lakes. Basically your traditional lake cutter, because it cuts from the Tennessee or Mississippi River Valleys and moves up towards the St. Lawrence River Valley or the Eastern Great Lakes. Thank you for choosing NYNJPA Weather as your weather source for the northern mid-Atlantic. I'm meteorologist Stephen DiMartino. Have an excellent evening.